Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change table border style in Microsoft Publisher document. So let's start it. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show change table border style. Now, firstly, go into the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for table option. Now select from a row and columns. Then table change border table style. Now going to the design menu option. Then click for a and choose design. Now again select from all table. Now going to the line color option, then choose color. Now click for a width option. Now click for 6pt and click for border option. Now click for all border. That is. Then issue change table border style. Then again select from all table. Now click for a line color option. Then click for a red color. Now click for border color border option. Then click for all border. That is. Then issue change table border style in Microsoft Publisher document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.